September 22nd, 2017. It's 11:48 p.m. Eastern Time. Looking at the United States. This water vapor imagery. You can see where the dry areas are. This evening I want to focus on the Mid-Atlantic, where Jose was. This morning, or last night into this morning, they shot off a side of him, and it shot from out in the ocean, took that squeeze. You can see it's going down south now after it went straight over us in Maryland. And today they sprayed the hell out of us. They evaporate it and they cut that side off. Now we'll take a look at another water vapor view on us. Here's so you can see that shooting off this morning. You can see all the pop-up clouds, pop-up storms. And it's starting to fire back up in up Texas, up through the Central Plains and Plains. Alright, now we'll move on. Trying to kind of hurry up. Just kind of want to cover a lot. Now, this is today. You see they're cutting off a piece of Jose. Now you'll start seeing these lines showing up. And I'll show you these lines. I believe they're pulsing it. Here's the lines right there. And you see this red. And then you see that water just evaporate, disappear. I think that is I think they're heating that area and they're cutting it off, and they're pulsing the rest of it. And you'll see these lines in the clouds when I show you the pictures of my sky. Okay, there it is. The lines, and you can see that water vapor out in the ocean get cut off from what's over land now. Okay, now we'll move on. Since it's been pretty active, well, first we'll finish looking at the Mid-Atlantic again. Now this random rainbow feed in the middle here, I think that's caused by interference from this pulse. I believe it's from, probably from another device. Okay, now we'll stop at right there so we can see where they cut it off. And you can see the straight line there and the right angle. Right there. Now we'll turn on the next rads. See what they're doing. They have already doing their nightly bloom. Okay. On to the microwave imagery map. We'll just see what energy's going around the world here. Now, these ones seem up with earthquakes. You'll see these are right there. Shit shooting on the coast of California up. Yeah, you can see it in the middle of these hurricanes. These white strips. They are energy of some, I'm assuming, yeah, microwave energy. Or, you know, like a super darn or harp. Or, you know, the ionosphere heaters. And them all over the world. Okay, now we'll move on to some screenshots I've took. And some pictures of the sky. Now, I took a bunch of these microwave imageries. And I'll show you where all the earthquakes are. And I told my friend a few days ago, I'm like, the Pacific Ocean is about to go off the chain, so to speak. There's the past 2 days. hours there ago in Japan, California, Mexico, Papua New Guinea, Indonesia. There's past 3 days. There's one in Iran that's kind of, other than, it's outside the Pacific. But most of these others are right on the Pacific. And I'm believing most of them are main. There's 2 today off the coast of California. Okay, pulses in that one image I was showing you. So you can see a right angle right there. Now, Stacy Sills makes good videos on the microwave imagery and these pulses here. I just lucked out and found these pulses, and it's kind of a good one to demonstrate it, how they are superheating and, cutting off a piece of Jose, to speak. We'll look at my sky. Trying to make it rather quick. Or we'll look at the download here too, because so you can see, and I'm pretty sure that red's where they're heating. It's where they're heating out in the west there too. You can see the lines in it as well. You can see these clouds. You can see the clouds pulsing with these lines and stuff. You can actually see it in the sky too. Now we'll start. We'll look at my sky. This was yesterday morning, and it was till about, last picture was about 3 p.m. today. But we just got straight bombed. That's a huge chem bomb. I mean, how people think this shit is normal. It's beyond my. I mean, shit, it's teal and purple. Distorts the sun. Look how bad it distorts the sun. I mean, it's just the EMF lines, patterns in it. And I'm pretty sure this shit does the opposite effect of solar radiation management. Like, it intensifies it. It makes it worse. It's like having a bunch of little mirrors or magnifying glasses up there. Especially these real thin, filmy fucking clouds. Yeah, and it continues. The Kembo, that one was straight up in the sky. Now, friend Pete Roman was telling me that they're using these Kembos as a indicator, a backscatter indicator to, I guess, test, if they've reached a certain saturation. This morning, you see asshole way back there. And yeah, just a fucking blanket. Once again, how people can think this is sundog. And there's all them line patterns. That huge Kimbo. It looks like or not Kimbo, bomb. Looks like a dragonfly. I mean, for real. Almost every day. There's 2 planes right side by side each other. What, were they fucking racing or what? Bzz. Fucking filth. Anyways, that's my report for today.